Imagine transforming this old, worn-out 1976 Dodge Cruise Air motorhome, maybe even one you've passed by 100 times, into your dream home on wheels. Today, we're diving into an incredible motorhome renovation that will blow your mind. From peeling paint and outdated interiors to a stunning, modern retreat ready for any adventure, you're about to see how passion, patience, and a bit of elbow grease turned this classic 1970s Dodge R5 into a cozy, stylish home on wheels. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer, a van life hopeful, or just love amazing transformations, this video is packed with tips, inspiration, and some seriously cool before and after shots you won't want to miss. So buckle up and let's hit the road on this motorhome renovation journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we bring you epic DIY projects, home renovations, and of course, awesome vehicles transformed into living spaces. If you're new here, and today we've got a special treat. We'll start by unpacking the challenges with this particular Dodge Cruise Air, what made it a fixer-upper, and then guide you step by step through the renovation process, sharing the materials we used, the design choices we had to make, and some lessons learned along the way. Plus, I'll highlight budget-friendly hacks and ways to streamline your own project if you ever want to tackle something like this. So if you're into the renovation or van life scene, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss our weekly content. Introducing the motorhome before condition. Let's start with the before pictures of this iconic 1976 Dodge Cruise Air that sat abandoned for years, weathered and tired. Check out these cracked windows, rusted edges, and the faded original paint that has lost its shine long ago. Inside, the situation isn't much better. Outdated cabinetry, stained carpets, malfunctioning appliances, and barely any storage options. The layout was inefficient, with a tiny kitchenette and a cramped sleeping area that made it feel more like a storage closet than a home. And the electrical and plumbing systems? Let's just say they needed a serious upgrade to meet modern needs. But don't be discouraged by this initial mess. These are exactly the kinds of projects that turn into life-changing makeovers. Step 1. Planning and design. Every great renovation starts with smart planning. We took a week to draft multiple layout options, balancing functionality and aesthetics. The main goals: maximize space, improve comfort, and modernize the look while keeping our budget under control. We focused on opening up the living space with multifunctional furniture, installing durable, lightweight materials to keep the motorhome's weight manageable. This is important given the original heavy Dodge frame, upgrading to energy-efficient lighting and solar panels, creating a stylish but highly practical kitchen area, adding a cozy sleeping nook with ample storage underneath our designer was instrumental in helping us visualize these ideas with 3D renderings. Having a clear design roadmap meant fewer costly mistakes once the demo started. Step 2. Demolition and structural work. Next came the demolition phase. We ripped out the old cabinets, pulled up the worn flooring, and carefully removed outdated plumbing fixtures. This was dusty, tough work. Always wear your safety gear. One big hurdle: discovering hidden water damage behind the bathroom wall, which required us to replace a few wooden studs. This highlights why it's crucial to inspect everything thoroughly before closing walls back up. We also reinforced the sturdy but aging Dodge chassis and frame a little to improve durability, and added insulation throughout the body of the motorhome to keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. For a mobile home, insulation really makes a difference. Step 3. Electrical and plumbing overhaul. Visual breakdown of wiring and plumbing installation. And after structural updates, we tackled the nerves and veins of the motorhome, the electrical and plumbing systems. We replaced the entire wiring with a modern layout that supports solar panels, energy-efficient LED lighting, and better power outlets for all your devices. Plumbing was tricky, especially fitting everything in such tight spaces. We installed a new freshwater tank, upgrading from the original 55-gallon tank, upgraded the pump system, and swapped in a compact, eco-friendly water heater. Choosing flexible, durable pipes made future repairs easier. If you're planning this yourself, invest in reliable wiring and plumbing tools. The last thing you want is emergency repairs down the road. Step 4. Interior renovation, flooring, walls, and ceiling. Now the fun stuff, interior finishes. We chose vinyl plank flooring for its water resistance and easy maintenance, perfect for a motorhome's high traffic areas. Breathing new life into the walls, we installed lightweight plywood panels with a whitewashed finish to brighten the small space and give a subtle rustic vibe. For the ceiling, we used thin beaded panels to add texture without adding weight. Plus, we installed skylights to flood the interior with natural light, making the motorhome feel larger and more inviting. These finishing touches transform cramped quarters into an inviting, warm space. Step 5. Kitchen upgrade. The kitchen is the heart of any home, and this motorhome kitchen renovation really shines. We installed a sleek but compact countertop made from durable bamboo. It's eco-friendly and super stylish. New cabinets with soft close drawers maximize storage, and lightweight materials help keep fuel economy intact, especially important when considering the motorhome's vintage heavy frame. We added a dual-burner induction cooktop for safety and efficiency, a compact fridge, and a deep stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet. The smart layout makes cooking on the road a breeze. Plus, under-cabinet LED lights brighten up the space for nighttime meal prep. Step 6. Living and sleeping areas. With the essentials handled, we moved on to comfort. The living area features a custom-built convertible sofa that doubles as a seating area and an extra bed. Foldable tables and hidden storage compartments keep clutter at bay, making the most of every inch. The sleeping nook includes a memory foam mattress built on a raised platform with storage drawers underneath. We installed blackout curtains and a reading light for added comfort. These multifunctional spaces are crucial for making small motorhomes livable and enjoyable for long trips. Step 7. Bathroom renovation. The bathroom underwent a major upgrade too. We swapped out the dated shower stall with a sleek wet bath design. This means the entire bathroom doubles as a shower area, saving space without sacrificing function. Water-saving fixtures, a composting toilet, and a small vanity with storage complete the setup. Ventilation was improved with a powered vent fan to reduce moisture buildup. The big reveal: before and after comparison. After weeks of hard work, our 1976 Dodge Cruise Air motorhome transformation is complete. Look at the difference, from dingy and cramped to bright, modern, and welcoming. The new open floor plan, upgraded systems, and stylish finishes create a perfect home on the road. This space is ready for adventure, relaxation, and everything life throws our way. Thanks for coming along on this incredible Dodge Cruise Air motorhome renovation journey. If you're inspired to start your own renovation project, smash that like button and let me know what your dream setup would look like in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell for more amazing DIYs and travel adventures just like this. We've got exciting projects coming up that you won't want to miss. Until next time, happy travels and keep dreaming big.